Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome back to my wondernetting channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the cutest and stylish puffy flower scrunchie. So beautiful and adorable. It's so soft so you can lie on it like on a pillow. It's not only adorable but also adds more texture and volume than typical flat flower scrunchie. Also, I think it's a perfect idea as a gift for your bestie, for your mom, for your grandma, for yourself. Look how cute they are. Looks more like amigurumi, so it can be perfect as a home decor too, why not? But I think it's cutest hair accessory. Before we jump into today's video, I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this one. If you haven't heard about Skillshare, it's an online learning platform with thousands of classes on all sorts of creative topics from photography and graphic design to drawing and illustration. I've been using Skillshare to boost my creative skills, and recently I took a class called Learn to Draw. It's a great class if you're just starting out with drawing or if you want to sharpen your skills and get better at it. Skillshare is super easy to use, and the best part that you can learn in your own pace, whenever it suits you. So whether you're interested in learning to draw or trying out other creative skills like illustration or digital art, Skillshare has something for you. And right now, the first 500 people who click the link in my description will get 1 month's free trial of Skillshare, so you can explore as many classes as you want. Don't miss out. And let's back to our scrunchies. We will need any yarn, and I'll show you how to crochet a large scrunchie. You'll need about 1 skein of 50 grams for that. And also hook 4 mm. For the smaller version, you will need less than 1 skein. You'll also need some stuffing for the toy. If you don't have any, it's not a problem. You can use leftover yarn. For example, I use scraps of my yarn as stuffing for the blue scrunchie. Of course, an elastic band. We'll also need a bit of white yarn. I'll show you how to crochet the large version, and you'll find instruction for the smaller version at the end of the video. It's really simple, just start with a fewer stitches and the rest is the same. Make a starter loop and make chain of 10. Add 2 more loops to start the row. Yarn over, insert the hook into the third loop from the hook, the one on the hook doesn't count, and make double crochet. Crochet first 2 loops, then 2 more. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the next loop and make double crochet again. Crochet with double crochet until the end of the row. So in total you should have 10 double crochet. So the first row is done. Then turn your work, insert your hook into the first loop from the hook like this, grab the yarn and crochet 2 loops on the hook. It's single crochet, then insert the hook into the first loop of this single crochet and make another single crochet. So it's single crochet above single crochet. Crocheting like this will have a flat edge. It also counted at the first stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch and make a double crochet. Yarn over and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1 and into the same stitch 2. Yarn over again, make 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 and into the same stitch 2, and crochet so on the same way, 2 double crochet in one stitch until the end of the row. So in total we should have 20 double crochet. Don't forget about the last stitch right over here. 2 double crochet into the last stitch too. So the second row should look like this. In total we have 20 stitches. Turn your work and make single crochet above single crochet. We're gonna start each row like this. Insert the hook into the first loop from the hook, make single crochet, then insert the hook into the first loop of this single crochet like this and make single crochet again. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the same stitch and make double crochet. Yarn over, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over, make 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 and into the same stitch 2. Yarn over, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and so on until the end of the row, alternating 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet into one stitch. I finished this row with 1 double crochet. Don't forget about the last stitch right over here. The third row should look like this. We have 30 stitches. Turn your work, make single crochet above single crochet into the first stitch. Yarn over, into the same stitch make double crochet. Then yarn over and into the next 2 stitches make 1 double crochet. So 1, and into the next stitch make again 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch make 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1, and into the same stitch 2. Into the next 2 stitches make 1 double crochet, 1, and into the next one again 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch again make 2 double crochet in one stitch. Crochet like this until the end of the row. 2 double crochet and increase it's 2 double crochet in one stitch. Again, don't forget about the last stitch right over here, and I finished this row with increase 2 double crochet into the last stitch. In total we should have 38 stitches. So after this row we need to crochet 2 rows without any increases. So in row 5 and 6 just repeat 38 stitches. Make single crochet above single crochet, yarn over, into the next stitch make double crochet and crochet 1 double crochet into each stitch until the end of the row, and the next 6th row crochet the same way. I made 6 rows and right now we're gonna start making decreases. Row 7 start with single crochet above single crochet. Into the next stitch make 1 double crochet. We made 2 stitches and then decrease. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, grab the yarn, pull it out and crochet only 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it out. You should have 4 loops on the hook. Crochet first 2 loops, then 3 together, so it's our decrease. Then crochet 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, 1 and into the next stitch 2. Then make decrease again. Yarn over, crochet first 2 loops, yarn over, crochet first 2 loops and then 3 together. And make 2 double crochet. And we need to alternate 2 double crochet and decrease until the end of the row. And at the end I finish with decrease. Turn your work, make single crochet above single crochet, it's our first stitch. With 2 next stitches make decrease. Then 1 double crochet into the next stitch and again decrease with 2 next stitches. In this row we should crochet 1 decrease and 1 double crochet until the end of the row. At the end I finished with decrease, and the next row we should crochet only with decreases. Insert the hook into the first loop from the hook, grab the yarn, pull it out, then insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it out. You should have 3 loops, crochet them together. Then insert the hook into the first loop of this single crochet decrease, and crochet just single crochet. Then yarn over and make decrease with next 2 stitches. And with next 2 stitches again decrease, so in this row only decreases, and at the end we should have 10 stitches as at the first row. And this is what we should have, and don't be afraid, but it's our first petal. Yes, we just fold it in half at the end and it will be a petal. And we need to crochet the same way 5 petals in total. We don't cut the yarn, we just continue crocheting the same pattern like from the first row. So turn your work, make single crochet above single crochet, then crochet 1 double crochet into each stitch. So in this row we should have 10 stitches in total. Like this, and then just turn your work and continue crocheting the same pattern. 2 double crochet in 1 stitch in this row, in the next row 1 double crochet and increase, in the next row 2 double crochet and increase, and so on, repeating the pattern 5 petals in total. So 1 petal consists of 9 rows. And this is what you should have, and it looks like sausages, I don't know, but it's our flower. I've already folded it in half, and right now we need to join 2 edges together. Without cutting the yarn, just insert the hook into the first stitches of 2 edges, right here. Grab the yarn, pull it out and make slip stitch, crochet first loop into the second loop on the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitches and make slip stitch again, and crochet like this until the end of the edge, in total 10 stitches. At the end you can make chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now take the hair tie, and we shouldn't tie it when it's in flower shape. We need to put it on the ponytail without any twisting. It's better to fold your regular hair tie in half like this, so it fits tightly on your ponytail and doesn't slip off. That's important. I'll fold mine like this. Then we need to place it in the middle of our petals like this. It will be a little bit tight, it's okay. Carefully spread out the flower, and now we'll crochet the edges together and fill the flower with stuffing. So your hair tie should be right in the middle. So you can see the rows that we crocheted together, and we need to crochet right now 2 single crochet in each row. So insert the hook into the row from one side and from the other side. Grab white yarn, pull it out, and crochet 1 loop on the hook. Insert the hook into the same row and crochet 2 single crochet in 1 row. 1, and into the same row crochet the second single crochet. Grab the yarn, pull it out, and crochet 2 loops on the hook. Then insert the hook into the next row from one side and from the other side, and make 2 single crochet in this row. Actually, it isn't super important where to insert the hook, just join 2 edges neatly and that's all. So crochet like this until the top of the petal, and then we will fill it with stuffing. Something like this, all the ends you can hide in the middle, and right now take stuffing and fill 1 petal. Don't overfill it so the hair tie isn't too heavy. Next, we'll continue crocheting with single crochet, and between the petals, make long single crochet directly into the center of the hair tie. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull it well, like this, and crochet 2 loops on the hook. And the second, the same single crochet into the center, grab the yarn, pull it well, and crochet 2 loops on the hook. So other petals do the same way, and between the petals make long single crochet right into the center of the hair tie. And this is what you should have, and actually you can finish right here, but you can continue crocheting the second row of edging with single crochet or make it more lace with ruffles. To make ruffles, make slip stitch into the first single crochet, then make chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over into the same stitch, crochet 2 double crochet, 1 into the same stitch, 2 into the next stitch, make single crochet, yarn over into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet, 1 into the same place, 2 and into the same place, 3 into the next stitch, make single crochet, into the next stitch, 3 double crochet, and so on all over the edge. At the end, make slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn and hide the end through the stitches. And there you have it, a beautiful puffy flower scrunchie that's sure to become your new favorite hair accessory. If you want to make a smaller scrunchie like mine, blue or multicolors, just chain at the very beginning 17 loops, and from the third loop from the hook start crocheting exactly the same pattern. Be sure to try the puffy flower scrunchie because it adds more volume and texture to your hair, making your hairstyles look more fun, and also it's very eye-catching and unique, perfect for anyone who loves accessorizes. Write in the comments which flower scrunchie do you like the most, the big one, more puffy, or the smallest one. As you can see, tying up your hair is quite easy. I didn't even use the main hair tie. The flower itself holds well, plus they are really lightweight, so don't worry and enjoy wearing them. So if you try this project, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. I would love to see your creations. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your friends who also may like flower scrunchies. So I see you in the next video. Bye kitties. So adorable. Let's try to make a hair bun with this scrunchie. So what do you think? Which hairstyle is better for this scrunchie? Ponytail or the bun? Write in the comments.